Right, number 35, it wants you to graph. So what we need to do first is put this into slope-intercept form. So add x to both sides and then divide by 2. So slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So we're solving for y. Now that we've done that, we could graph. So the number in front of x is my m, or my slope. What's being added or subtracted is my y-intercept. There's nothing being added there, so my y-intercept is 0. So I'm going to start at 0, 0. So then the slope says I go up 1 over 2, since it's positive. So up 1 to the right 2. And then I make a line connecting them, and that would be my line. Number 37, we also have to put in slope-intercept form, meaning solve for y. So the first step would be to add 6x to both sides. So doing that leaves me with 9y equals 18 plus 6x. Then I divide 9 by everything. I'll be left with y equals 18 over 9 is 2. 6 over 9 gets reduced to 2/3. So now we can graph that. So my slope is 2/3 and my y-intercept is 2. So that means I start at 2, then I'll go up 2 to the right 3, and then I'll connect my line from there. So that will be my line. 38 is asking you to write an equation using slope of 3 and y-intercept of 4. Well, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. M is 3, b is 4, so your equation is going to be y equals 3x plus 4 for number 38. 39, it is asking for a line going through 2 points. First step is to find your slope. Slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Label the first point x1 and y1, the second point x2 and y2. It's just the x and y coordinates of the first one and the second one. So substituting in, we have 9 minus 3 over 4 minus 2. 9 minus 3 is 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 over 2 is 3. Okay, so the second step is to find the b or y-intercept. So substitute in m3 for m, and then choose either 2 and 3 or 4 and 9 for x and y. Doesn't matter which, will give you the same answer. I'll choose 2 and 3. So y is 3 and x is 2. So we have 3 times 2 is 6. So 3 equals 6 plus b. Minus 6 on both sides is negative 3. So we have m is 3, b is negative 3. Putting that together in for y equals mx plus b, I have y equals 3x minus 3 for number 40. 42, passing through the point negative 1, 8 with an undefined slope. An undefined slope is a vertical line, and those are where x equals a constant or a number without a variable. So x equaling a number is a vertical line, and every x coordinate is the same. So that means the x coordinate has to be negative 1. So my equation is going to be x equals negative 1, 42. 43, similar way, but we have a slope of 0. So it's going to be y equaling a number, horizontal line where all the y's are the same. If it goes to this point, then y is 5. So the equation is going to be y equals 5 for 43. 44 is asking you to find the length of the hypotenuse of the right triangle. The hypotenuse is the longest length, and it's across from the 90-degree angle. So you have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Since c squared represents the hypotenuse and we're looking for that, 7 and 24 is going to be the a and b. So we have 7 squared, which is 49, and 24 squared, which is 576. Add them up, you get 625. To get c from c squared, you take the square root and you get 25. So for number 44, you get 25. 46, you're looking for the length of one of the legs. So that means you're looking for either A or B, and we're given C. C is the longest length, which is across from the 90 degrees, so C is going to be 13. A or B are interchangeable, so this can be 12, that can be B, or this can be A squared, and that can be 12 squared. Doesn't matter. 12 squared is 144. C squared is 169. Subtract 144 from both sides. You get B squared is 25. Take the square root, and you'll have B equaling 5 for number 46. Looking at 49, looking for the area and the circumference. of a circle. The formula for the area of a circle is pi r squared. The radius is half the diameter, and we're given the diameter, so we got to cut that in half. So 6.6 divided by 2 is 3.3. So we have pi times 3.3 squared. 3.3 squared is 1089 pi. So the area is going to be 10.89 pi. The circumference is pi times the diameter. And we're given the diameter, so it's just 6.6 times pi. So the circumference is going to be 6.6 pi. And that's number 49.